Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to strike through in Word. So as example, I will type word in here. You can type Mufasuket channel and I will increase for this column. The next, if you want to set strike through into this word, you can select the cells and then you can go to fonts, click on the small arrows and will be show for format cell dialog box. After it, you can check for strike stroke and click OK. You can see we create strike stroke into this word. You also can use the keyboard combination. You can select the cells, press Ctrl button on keyboard, hold, and then press number 5 to be set for the strike stroke. If you want to cancel, you can press again Ctrl and then +5. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to strike stroke. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.